Okay, so to talk about which is higher of 99 or 100, 99 is 10, or 99 is 9 sticks and 9 ones, and 100 is 10 sticks. So by this one you can decipher, since 10 is more than 9, that 100 is more than 99. For 154 or 231, 154 would be 1 flat and 231 would be 2 flats. So without even looking at these other numbers, since 2 is more than 1, we know 231 is more than 154. For 40 plus 9 plus 6, or 9 ones and 64 tens, 600 would be 6 flats, 4 sticks, and 9 ones, and then 64 tens. 60 tens would be 6 flats and 4 sticks, and then 9 ones would be just 9 single units here. So when we break down the numbers, we can decide that 40 plus 9 plus 600 is equal to 9 ones plus 64 tens. For 271, or 70 plus 200 plus 1, we have 2 flats, 7 sticks, and 1 unit for each one. So just like the last one, we can decipher that 271 is equal to 70 plus 200 plus 1. For this last one, we have 84 tens plus 10 tens, or 9 hundreds plus 4 ones. So since 84 plus 10 and they're both tens, we can assume that's 94 tens. So 90 tens would be 9 flats and 4 sticks, while 9 hundreds would be 9 flats and 4 ones. So since the flats are equal and the top number has more tens than the bottom number, we can decide that 84 tens plus 10 tens is more than 9 hundreds plus 4 ones.